Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we'll need, which is this SIM eject tool. It comes provided in the box with the device, so you can get it from there, but you can also use a paper clip, just straighten out one of the edges and it should work just fine. That's assuming it doesn't have that plastic coating around it. So from there you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top of the device, so right here, as you can see. So right there, just want to push it in and you can see that the tray pops out. And once you take it out fully, you'll get this two places that you can place either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. So if you're planning to place two SIM cards, you can place it right here, the second one that is basically doubling as the memory tray as well. You can see it. And other than that, it would normally go right below here, and the SD card would go on top right here, like so. And the tray also holds them in place so they don't fall out. Now before you put it in, make sure that the cards are laying flat on there so they're well secured in there. And once they are, you just want to slide it back into the device. You can see it right here, like so. And I should be, there we go, prompted with the pin for the SIM cards, so I'm going to quickly put that in. So the SIM card is working, and SD card should work as well, as you can see right here. So both of them are working fine. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.